In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block emails on Google Workspace. This straightforward guide will help ensure your inbox stays clutter-free from unwanted or spammy communications. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to Google Workspace. You can easily do this by searching for Google Workspace's admin console or following the direct link to the spam settings if you have it bookmarked. This step is your gateway to all sorts of administrative tasks you can perform for your Google Workspace account, including managing emails. Once you're there, it's time to log into your Google account. Choose the account associated with your Google Workspace. Remember, you might have multiple Google accounts, so make sure you're using the one tied to your workspace for these steps to work correctly. After selecting your account, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Security is key, so take a moment to double check you're entering the correct password for the right account. If you're having trouble remembering your password, now's a good time to reset it to keep your account secure. With the correct credentials entered, click on the next button to proceed. This will take you deeper into your Google Workspace admin console, moving you one step closer to managing those pesky emails. Up next, look for the square dots icon located at the top right corner of your screen. This icon is essentially the doorway to various Google services and settings available to you. Clicking this will bring up a range of options. For this task, we're interested in the admin console. Go ahead and select it. In the admin console, a world of configurations and settings awaits, but we're here with a mission to block unwanted emails. To find those settings, click on Apps. This will show you all the Google Workspace apps available for management. Within Apps, locate and click on Gmail. Gmail is, of course, where all your email magic happens, and it's also where you'll find the settings to block those unwanted emails. Now you're looking for spam, phishing, and malware settings. This might sound daunting, but it's Google's way of categorizing unwanted emails. Click on this to access the specific configurations we're interested in. Here's where the action really happens. Look for the Configure button. This is where you can set up specific rules or blocks for emails. The user interface might differ slightly depending on updates, but you're in the right place if you see options related to spam and security. At this juncture, you'll be prompted to type in the email address you wish to block. Take your time to enter the email accurately. Blocking the right email address ensures you won't receive any more unwanted messages from that sender. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Click on Save to make sure all your modifications are stored and applied. This is a crucial step. Failing to save means none of the changes you've made will take effect. And there you have it. A simple and effective way to block emails on Google Workspace. Say goodbye to unwanted spam, phishing attempts, and emails that just clutter your inbox. Remember, keeping your digital space clean and organized is key to maintaining efficiency and security in your online communications. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped make your email experience even better.